yes! Sorry I had to lose to a girl.
What girl?
You. You're an idiot. You couldn't even tell I was a girl.
You're what?
So what do you think the challenge is gonna be? You don't talk much, do ya?
I like your, Can I get back to you on that?
A gentleman doesn't kiss and tell.
You kissed a gentleman?
And I haven't had enough beauty sleep.
Come on, you look great, Sons of Orion!
Sorry, short stuff. On the upside, now your lungs are waterproof.
Wow, we have a lot in common.
Why would you say something like that to me?
No, I meant about the tech withdrawal. Trust me, you're nothing like me otherwise.
Aw, thanks.
Dislocated my hip getting my obstacle course badge. Check this out.
Nice. And when did you learn to dislocate your arm?